Hi children. So you have done two experiments in the last sessions. Hope you all have done well. Yes. So today we are going to learn about separation of substances lesson, and we have seen the three or four properties of materials, characteristics of materials. First one is appearance, lustrous or non-lustrous, hardness, hard or soft, solubility, soluble or insoluble, float or sink. Okay. So today we are going to learn about transparency, that is the fifth characteristics of materials. Okay. Okay. So when you are going to, before going to the lesson, I need you to ask some questions. Okay. Okay, there will be a separate room that is made up of cardboard. Okay, two rooms are there, and you are standing in one room, and your friend is standing in the another room that is covered by cardboard sheet. Okay, are you able to see him? No, not possible. Okay, but in case, suppose it is covered in a glass, normal glass, can you able to see? Yes, surely. Yes. But the another one case, suppose it is covered by glad glass. Glad glass. இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக வருது இல்லையா, இந்த சால்ட் வரும், அது என்ன சொல்கிறது, கிளாஸில் வந்து சால்ட் கொட்டு மாதிரி இருக்கும். But it will be okay, but you can't see who is standing. Okay, so this is what the transparency. See, while using cardboard sheet you can't able to see, while using glass you can see, while using glad glass you are able to see somewhat. So this is what the transparency. Okay, transparency is of three types: transparent, opaque, translucent. Transparent indicates which an object can be clearly visible. Okay, so I will tell you the definition now. Wait. Transparent objects allows all of the light to pass through them. This means that we can clearly see through them. So all the lights are passing through the glass, so that we can able to see the objects clearly. This is what transparent. Okay, clear? What are transparent objects? What do you have to write? Yeah, the objects that can allow all light to pass through and make us visible clearly. Okay. Okay, translucent. So for example, transparent அப்படிங்கும்போது what we can discuss na, okay, you are going to any shop, the பெட்டி கடைக்குள்ள போறோம். Okay, see, you can see what are the candies are placed in the glass jars. Yes or no? என்னென்ன candies எதுல போட்டிருக்காங்கன்னு you can easily visible. Yes or no? So those glass jars are transparent. மிட்டாய் கடைக்கு போறோம், என்னென்ன மிட்டாய் எந்தெந்த கண்டெய்னர்ல இருக்குங்கிறத நம்ம ஈஸியாக பார்க்க முடியும் இல்லையா? That is what transparent. The next one is opaque. Okay, opaque. Opaque means okay. So you are saving money in the wooden hundiyal. Okay. Okay. Can you able to see how much is it? How much you have saved? No, not possible, because it is the light cannot pass through that wooden particles, so we cannot able to see the objects. Okay, அதில் எத்தனை ரூபாய் காயின் இருக்குங்கிறது இதே கிளாஸ் உண்டியலாக இருந்தால் நம்ம பார்க்க முடியும். ஓகே, 2 rupee காயின் இருக்குது, 1 rupee காயின் இருக்குன்னு. But if it is a wooden hundiyal, we can't able to see the type of coins. Okay children, so opaque object, I will give you the definition now. Opaque objects do not allow any light to pass through them. This means that we cannot see through them at all. But it won't allow any light to pass through, so we can't see any object there. Okay, that is what opaque. Okay, The third category is translucent. Okay, translucent. See, okay, you can do one thing. Take some paper, okay, and apply oil on your hair. Just rub it, okay. So you can see some patches on the paper. The paper will not be in pure white now. Yes or no? Yes. So with that oily patches, with that patches in the oily paper, just try to see any object. Okay. You can take any apple or anything. You can see the image, but you cannot see the real object. Isn't it? Yes, that is what translucent. That is what translucent. Okay. So I'll give you the definition, children. Translucent objects allow only sunlight to pass through them. This means that we can partially see through them. So we cannot see the exact object. We just partially we can see. Okay. So there is an example for transparent is glass, translucent is oily paper, opaque is cardboard sheet. So if you know some other items, you can also just give the example. Okay. Thank you, children.